Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the font size in Windows 10. Whether you want to make the text larger for better readability or adjust it to fit more content on your screen, Windows 10 allows you to customize the font size to your liking. So, let's get started. Now we are on our home screen. Let's start. Changing font size using Settings. To open the Settings app, right-click on the Start button or press Windows key +I on your keyboard. Next, click on System to access the system settings. In the System settings, look for Display in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, you'll see a section titled Scale and Layout or Scale and Layout Options, depending on your Windows version. Under Change the Size of Text, Apps, and Other Items, by default it will show 100% recommended. You can choose the percentage from drop-down options to adjust it according to your preference. We have Advanced Scaling Settings option is there under the Change the Size of Text, Apps, and Other Items where you will get an option to enter a custom scaling size between 100% to 500%. According to your adjustment. Once you've set the desired scaling, the changes will take effect immediately. However, some applications might require you to sign out and sign back in or restart your computer for the new font size to apply universally. And there you have it. Now you know how to change the font size in Windows 10. It's a simple process that can significantly improve your Windows experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.